Hello people! So today's video I'm doing a very chilled laid back video and I'm pretty much just doing my kind of go-to lazy makeup. Just cannot be bothered to do anything to my face, but because I look like I do when I have no makeup on, I have to sort my under eyes out and just a bit of skincare. If you want to see my ultimate lazy day makeup routine, then make sure you are subscribed and give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. Oh. This is like a real-time kind of get ready with me as well because I literally have to leave the house in 20 minutes. So yeah, this is just going to be like my ultimate lazy makeup. I just thought today was the perfect day because instead of waking up and doing my workout, I just thought let's wake up and not do my workout and just be very lazy. So, but something I will do is, even if I'm not putting like foundation, which I'm not doing today, and I'm just kind of keeping my skin pretty much as it is, I will make sure that I do my skincare properly. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I haven't done any of that. Now I thought I would just do it on camera. So I'm going to go in with my morning toner first. I use this one, which is the Thayers Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Alcohol Free Toner. And I've been trying this out for a few weeks and I do like it. It's alcohol free, like I said. I got the unscented one because I don't like the scents. They had like rose, lavender and cucumber or whatever. I don't even know what cucumber would smell like because like it has no scent. Put it all over a cotton pad and just press it on my skin. Obviously I've washed my face and that's pretty much all I've done. So it's very hydrating, so I like using it in the morning when I've just washed my face and I've kind of got nothing on my skin. It's very nice, very soothing. And I always go in with my SPF. This might look a bit strange to some people, but I'm just going to apply this just to my smile lines, which is where I apply my retinoid or retinol, whatever you call it, at night, because it's this guy here. This makes you more susceptible to getting sun damage. I only use the retinol like where my smile lines are because it helps to not make them look as prominent. So usually I would literally just put this all over my face, but this one, it does leave a tiny bit of a white cast and I'm not wearing foundation, so usually I would because I don't care, but because I'm not wearing foundation or anything, you could probably be able to see it through, if you know what I mean. I've been using the Body Shop Vitamin C moisturizer. This is for dull, tired and grumpy skin, which, hello, pop some of this on. It's good for waking you up, even though I could still go to sleep after I put this on. I would also usually put my eye cream on, but today I genuinely cannot be bothered. I know I said I was going to do my skincare properly, but here we are. Because I'm not putting foundation or anything, I don't usually put primer on all the time. I will literally just put my concealer on and then be done. We'll be using a primer or anything. I usually use my Becca First Light priming filter because it just gives a nice glow and it just makes your skin look very healthy. Brows quickly actually. So I don't fill them in with a brow pencil at the moment, so I'm just going to brush them through with a spoolie. I've just been using a tinted brow gel. The Colourpop one, it's in the shade Soft Black. Minutes to go. So I'm just going to apply some of this. This is the LA Girl Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator. Pop some of this on my finger and I'm just going to pop it at the high points of my face. Usually where I just apply my highlighter. So everywhere. My under eyes are so naturally dark, so I have to conceal them no matter what. So I usually go in with something that's quite full coverage for my under eyes. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I would use my Jouer one, but I've officially run out of it. So you can see I've literally just done 2 tiny dots. I've just done the bare minimum. I do have to set my under eyes, so I'm just going to use my Too Faced Peach powder. So as far as eyes go, I will just curl my eyelashes because, again, I've got pretty long eyelashes naturally. so I'm just gonna leave them curled. If I do want something on my cheeks, then I will either cream contour, that's like the most subtle, or I will just apply a bit of my Burts Beads blush. I feel like because of the shade of it, you can use it as like a bronzer slash blush. Add the tiniest bit of this, just so we look a bit alive. Is pretty much it. I feel that crazy, I will put like a lipstick on or something, but this is it. No foundation, very quick, very easy, bare minimum. That is the end of the video, guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a very short and sweet video, but it's for you lazy people out there, or if you're just starting out in makeup and you just want to apply a tiny bit. Thank you again so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.